Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to be good at advanced math. First, ensure you have a rock-solid understanding of fundamental concepts. Think of it like building a house. A strong foundation is crucial. Next, cultivate a growth mindset. Believe that your abilities can improve with effort, even when facing tough problems. Finally, consistent practice is key. Dedicate at least 30 minutes each day to working through problems to reinforce your learning. Moving on, active learning is essential. Don't just passively read. Actively work through examples and try to solve problems yourself. When you encounter a new concept, try to explain it aloud or to a friend. This process helps you identify gaps in your understanding and strengthens your grasp of the material. It's about truly internalizing the information, not just memorizing it for a test. To excel, leverage all available resources. Don't limit yourself to just one textbook. Explore online tutorials, videos, and supplementary materials. Joining a study group can also be incredibly beneficial, allowing you to discuss challenging problems and learn from your peers. And remember, it's perfectly fine to ask for help. Reach out to your teachers or a tutor if you find yourself struggling with a particular topic. Finally, persistence is paramount. When faced with a daunting problem, break it down into smaller, more manageable steps. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. View them as learning opportunities and thoroughly review where you went wrong. This iterative process builds resilience and deepens your understanding. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and you'll see significant progress. Also, for a fresh car, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.